HandyCAD is an experienced, fast-growing outsourcing company, offering multiple services in the field of architecture and engineering, such as architectural drafting, structural drafting, MEP drafting, 3D modeling, CAD conversions, construction documentation. We are mastered in AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, and Lumion. Why we are special: reliable service, affordable price, professional service, meeting deadlines, extensive knowledge, trained employees. Our 6-step process: discuss details with our client about the modes of communication, understanding project requirements and expected deliverables from the client. Allocate the project to a dedicated project manager who will handle all the matters. Start the work with best possible way with our professionals and skilled employees. Reviewing, quality check and assurance by engineers and other professionals. Final delivery to the client and getting feedback. Find us on